Hello friends, in today's section we will discuss the veto powers of the President of India under Article 111 and also understand the executive, financial, judicial and diplomatic powers vested in the President. This will help you understand how the highest constitutional authority functions within our democratic framework. Veto power of the President, Article 111. When a bill is passed by Parliament, it is sent to the President for assent. Under Article 111, the President has three choices. He can give assent to the bill, he can withhold assent, or he can return the bill to Parliament for reconsideration if it is not a money bill. This power is an important part of the checks and balances in our constitution. Types of veto powers. The constitution mentions four types of veto powers. Absolute veto. The president rejects the bill entirely. Qualified veto. The legislature can override the veto by a higher majority. This is not available in India. Suspensive veto. The president returns the bill for reconsideration. Pocket veto. The president simply does nothing and keeps the bill pending. Each of these plays a role in controlling the legislative process. Veto powers used in India. In India, the President uses only three types of veto: absolute veto, suspensive veto, and pocket veto. The qualified veto is not provided to the Indian President, unlike some other countries. Also remember, the veto cannot be used against money bills. This is because money bills are introduced in Parliament only with the President's recommendation. Limitation on veto power. If the Parliament passes the bill again, whether with amendments or without, then the President must give assent. This means the suspensive veto works only once, and for money bills, the President has no veto authority at all. This ensures smooth functioning of the financial system. Executive powers of the President. The President is the head of the Union Executive and therefore has some important appointment powers. He appoints the Prime Minister, the Council of Ministers, the Attorney General of India, the Comptroller and Auditor General, the Chief Justice of India and other judges, governors of states, UPSC chairman and members, Chief Election Commissioner and election commissioners, the Financial Commissioner. These appointments ensure the functioning of countries' administrative and constitutional bodies. Other executive powers. In addition to major appointments, the President can also appoint commissions to investigate the conditions of SC, ST and OBCs, oversee administration of union territories, issue directions to the government during constitutional situations. These powers ensure that the President plays a supervisory role in governance. Financial powers. The President also plays a key role in financial matters. He recommends the introduction of money bills in Parliament, lays the union budget before Parliament, can authorize spending from the contingency fund of India during emergencies or unforeseen needs, appoints a finance commission every 5 years to ensure financial distribution between the center and states. This highlights the President's influence on country's financial administration. Judicial powers. The president also has important judicial powers. He can pardon, reprieve, remit, suspend, or commute sentences. These powers are essentially significant in cases like court-martial, offences under union laws, death sentences. The president also appoints the Chief Justice, judges of Supreme Court and High Courts. Diplomatic powers. As the head of state, the president represents the nation internationally. He concludes treaties and agreements on behalf of India, sends and receives ambassadors and diplomats, represents India in international ceremonies and forums. Most of these are ceremonial, but they reinforce India's position in global affairs. President as first citizen. The president is regarded as the first citizen of India. This means he symbolizes the unity, integrity, and dignity of the nation. He is the constitutional guardian and ensures that all governance actions follow the provisions of the Constitution. To summarize, Article 111 provides the President's vital veto powers, helping maintain legislative balance. The President holds significant executive, financial, judicial, and diplomatic powers. Although he acts on the advice of the Council of Ministers, he plays a crucial constitutional role. Understanding these powers gives us a clear picture of how governance operates in India. Okay, thank you.